I'm Shebi Yusuf. I do manage this division since last 12 years. We are Drapes Interio. It's a custom-made furniture division established in 2005. We do personalize all kind of furnitures and fit-outs. Before it was all about the size and shape. Nowadays it's mostly into the theme-based things. So when you are looking something personalized your furniture, whether it's for an individual or a project, we can do everything customized here. Of course, we have the tailoring machines to do all the leather and fabric stitching. Once that move to that, then it is forming. It's all about cutting the form and just shaping it. So we have CNC shaping to the form. After that, it's all about framing. So there we have the joinery division to do all kind of wooden or MDF plywood related framing. We work all traditional and modern style of all the nationalities because all the nationalities are living here. So the other way Drapes is making furniture for the entire world. This can be only done if you are in Dubai. If you are in any other place, you won't be able to do this way. We have clients, designers, a lot of designers as our clients. We have hotels and restaurant clients. And of course, we have a lot of residential clients. They come for very small requirement. So we welcome most of all the clients.